Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Mark occasion for Pakistan Air Force PAF as well as the whole nation. When the indigenously produced JF-17 Thunder shot down a slow-speed target with BVR-bound visual range and IR infrared missile with a pinpoint accuracy at Sanmiani firing range on Friday, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Sohail Aman witnessed the live demonstration, displaying PAF's capability to successfully locate and destroy high-slow-speed moving targets by employing high-tech inventory of aircraft and missiles, said a PAF press release. Addressing the ceremony, the Air Chief said, "We are thankful to Allah Almighty who has given us the strength to achieve this extraordinary milestone. The successful testing of these sophisticated weapons is a testimony of JF-17 Thunder's multi-role capabilities." He said it was a matter of immense pride that 6 PAF fighter squadrons had already been equipped with the pride of the nation JF-17 Thunder aircraft, making it the backbone of our aerial defense. The Air Chief also lauded the hard work put in by PAF and Chinese personnel in making the event a success. 16 new JF-17 Thunder jets added to PAF 14 squadron. The day marked a monumental episode in the glorious history of PAF as a state-of-the-art weapon test range has been made operational to track the complete trajectory of the aircraft and launched missiles, read the press release. The facility, developed in collaboration with Chinese authorities, is equipped with real-time tracking and measuring equipment to qualify the indigenously developed and procured weapon systems. Earlier, Air Vice Marshal Hasib Paracha, Air Officer Commanding, Southern Air Command, received the chief guest on his arrival at the venue. High-ranking PAF officers along with civil and military officials also witnessed this historic event.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.